Alright guys, welcome back. We got a stock hydro over here. Gonna run it on a 3S pack. Nothing special about this one. Stock prop, 30mm TFL. It'll run about 35 miles an hour. I haven't tried it yet, but it should work just fine for the first time. Alright guys, we got the colorful hydro over here. And last time we were in this little area at the lake, we sunk the red hydro right over there. So we're going to take it easy with this one at first. It's our first run. Just want to make sure everything's good, that we have water cooling. There's a bunch of foam packed into this, just like the other one. But the other one was a lot heavier running the rocket motor. Alright. There we go, guys. Oh, she runs nice. Oh, didn't check water coolant. Let's bring that back. One more time. Didn't see the water cooling. Yeah, it's coming out. I love these little hydros. They're dialed in stock at 35 miles an hour. Very controllable, very stable. Don't hit the wall, Cobe. She turns left too. Not that great, but turns left. She looks good on the water, boys. She looks good on the water. And she just died. Of course, I had to talk. I had to talk. Oh, there we go. Let's bring it back. What's going on here? Is that battery dead? I don't know what's going on, but we're bringing her back. That battery might be dead. I don't want to sink you, so we're pulling you out. Take you back to the car. Check the battery. Oh, I don't have my battery tester. Fuck. Alright, come on. What we got here? No water inside. Nothing is hot at all. Nothing is hot at all. Not a drop of water, boys. Not bad. Not bad. Alright guys, we'll let you guys go. We just ran the pack in her. 1800 SMC. And we will catch you back at the garage. We'll do a little maintenance on her. Check her out. Make sure she's all good. Re-grease the shaft. And that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. And tune back in next time.